This audio visualizer template will work on After Effects 2019 or above versions. Let me show you how to edit and use this template. Let's open the project file. Here the template is open. Let's import music and image first. Now open Music Composition. Place music file in Music Comp. Now right-click on Music File, go to Keyframe Assistant, then select Convert Audio to Keyframes. It will take some time. Now let's trim its work area. Go to the end of the music file. Now open Audio Visualizer Comp. Now press N to define its work area. Now open Image Holder Composition. Place image to Image Holder Comp. I am scaling the image down. To change the logo, go to Logo Comp. Here you can add a logo or text. You can change the audio spectrum and other settings from the control layer. Select Control Layer and open Effects Control Panel. Here you can change all the settings. Audio spectrum color can be changed from here. Change overlay color and opacity from here. Here you can change the image blur amount. Enable image scale from here. Chromatic aberration can be enabled or disabled from here. Here you can change particle color. After changing settings you can render. Go to the Composition tab, then click on Enter Render Queue. Open Output Module, and Format, select QuickTime. Give output file path, then click on Render. That's it. Thanks for watching.